Take out all parts from the package. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. Remove the protective cover, remove the nut and gasket. Put on the training wheels. Add gasket and tighten the nut. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Turn the front fork forward. After loosening the stem bolt screw, remove the protective sleeve. Insert the handlebars into the head tube over the safety line, and tighten the stem bolt screws. Remove the fork protection bar. Remove the axle nuts and retaining washer on both sides of the wheel. Loosen the V-brake clamp and assemble the front wheel into the front fork. Put on retaining washer first, then tighten the nut. Reclamp V-brake. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. First, confirm the left and right pedals. R is the right pedal, L is the left pedal. Insert the foot pedal into the crank, rotate towards the front of the bike, and finally tighten with the wrench. Step 4. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat tube clamp. Insert the saddle into the seat tube over the minimum safety line, and then tighten the seat tube clamps. Step 5. Assemble other accessories. Put the lights on the base and assemble the headlights and fenders together. Rear fender installed as shown in the video. Before assembling the rear shelf, unscrew the screws on the mounting holes, and tighten each screw after assembling the rear shelf. Install the bell on the right side of the handlebar. Install the red reflector at the saddle tube. Installation complete. If you have any questions, please contact us.